Hi, welcome to the Danville Public Library Children's Room. I'm Nancy and I'm going to show you how to make this week's craft. So make sure you pick up this package either at curbside or come in and get one. It will have everything you need. This is the template that you're going to cut out. It will have directions on how to make it, and of course it will have your reading log. Make sure you're filling that out so you can win prizes for reading as well. So there's a couple of things that you will need in addition to the supplies that we're sending you. A pair of scissors or something to trim some toothpicks with, those are included. Some a glue stick or glue, and some tape. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to get a paper like this, and you're going to need to cut out the shark and the little fish. And there's two pieces to the shark, and that's what I've done here. I've cut out the two pieces, and I've cut out my two little fishies, just like that. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to flip the shark pieces over, and you're going to line them up together. So you want the last two teeth to line up so that it comes together just like that. And then you're going to take the stick and you're going to kind of line it up as well. You want to make sure that it is not showing. And you're going to just kind of line them up on the pages. And then the way that you're going to adhere those is you're going to take your little glue stick and just run it right along, and then just flip it right over where you put it, just like this. And then same thing on the other one. You're just going to kind of run your glue stick up and down your little stick, just like that. And then you're going to put it down like that. Just kind of press it down. And then the thing that I did to kind of give it a little more stability is I took some tape, just like this, and then I just kind of taped it down as well, just to make sure that it's going to stay right there. And then here's the other one. Just tape it down so it stays right there. Okay. Next, with your scissors or something like that, you're going to trim the end of the toothpicks so they're not pokey. So I'm just cutting the ends off like that, and you'll do the same with the other one. Just cut the ends off. And then this one is better with some glue, or I've also used the same method as before, a little glue stick and some tape over it. But like I said, if you have glue, you can use glue for this part as well. I'm just going to tear a little bit of piece of tape so that I have a little fishy. And then, like I said, there's a second little fishy. So I'm just going to use that same method of a little bit of glue stick with a little bit of tape on top. But if you want to use a different method of, like I said, like glue or something else instead to make them stay, that's fine. Just so that you have a little fishy. And then the next thing that we have to do is make our shark come together. And the way that we're going to do that is we've enclosed a clothespin, and on one side you'll see this like paper on it. It's actually tape underneath there. All you have to do is find an edge, and when you have an edge, you're going to take the white part off, and there should be you should leave behind like a film that's sticky, and it's because it's actually like double-sided tape. But it's already on the clothespin, so all you have to do is like you're peeling a sticker, you have to take the white paper off. There's two pieces, and you'll need to take them both off. Then what you're going to do is make sure that your shark is lined up like we said, and then you're going to take and you're going to press down your clothespin, making sure that these are together when you put it on. So on that sticky side that you just did, you're just going to press it down just like that so that it sticks, and just kind of like press it down really good. And then this is what you have. You have your little sharky and your little fishy. I hope you had fun making the craft. Make sure you pick it up at curbside or in the library. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye.